The purple ring on your Amazon Echo device indicates that Do Not Disturb mode is active. When Do Not Disturb is enabled, your Echo will silence notifications, announcements, and incoming calls. It's designed to prevent interruptions so you can focus without distractions. The light will be a solid, consistent purple, not pulsing or blinking. You can activate or deactivate Do Not Disturb using voice commands. Simply say, "Alexa, turn on Do Not Disturb" to enable it, or "Alexa, turn off Do Not Disturb" to disable it. You can also control Do Not Disturb through the Alexa app. Navigate to Devices, select your Echo device, go to Device Settings, and toggle Do Not Disturb on or off. For automatic control, schedule Do Not Disturb in the Alexa app. Set specific start and end times for daily or custom periods when you don't want to be disturbed. While the purple ring signifies Do Not Disturb mode, it doesn't directly indicate Wi-Fi problems. A red ring usually means setup is needed, and no light means the device is off. However, if DND is active, you might miss connectivity alerts, mistakenly attributing the silence to Wi-Fi issues. So always check if DND is enabled before troubleshooting your Wi-Fi. If the purple ring persists after disabling Do Not Disturb in the app, start by double-checking that DND is actually turned off. Open the Alexa app, go to Devices, select your Echo, then check Device Settings to confirm DND is disabled. If the issue continues, restart your Echo device. Unplug it from the power source. Wait exactly 30 seconds to allow any software glitches to clear. Then plug it back in. This power cycle often resolves persistent purple ring problems caused by temporary bugs. If restarting doesn't fix the stuck purple ring, the issue may be related to Wi-Fi connectivity rather than Do Not Disturb mode. Move on to checking your network connection and Echo's Wi-Fi settings in the app. If you suspect a Wi-Fi issue, start by restarting your router. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Check your Echo's connection in the Alexa app. Go to Devices, select your Echo, and view the network settings. Your Echo needs a stable 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. 2.4 GHz has longer range but slower speed, while 5 GHz is faster but shorter range. If the signal is weak, move the Echo closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi extender to improve coverage. If you are still facing issues, reset your network. Consider updating to a newer router for better performance. Many users make common mistakes when dealing with the purple ring on their Alexa Echo devices. One frequent error is confusing the purple ring with a Wi-Fi connectivity problem when it actually indicates Do Not Disturb mode. Another misconception is forgetting that Do Not Disturb can be scheduled to activate automatically, causing the purple ring to reappear without manual input. To avoid these issues, always double-check the Do Not Disturb settings in the Alexa app and verify your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Additionally, ensure your Echo device's firmware is up to date to prevent bugs that might cause the purple ring to appear incorrectly. In 2025, a widespread firmware bug caused Do Not Disturb mode to lock on unexpectedly across millions of Echo devices, leading users to mistakenly believe it was a Wi-Fi connectivity issue. In smart homes, Do Not Disturb mode is often activated during events to prevent unwanted interruptions from announcements or calls. However, if Wi-Fi signal is weak, responses can be delayed, requiring fixes for both DND and Wi-Fi connectivity. Schools frequently use Do Not Disturb mode on Echo devices during exams to silence announcements. However, network overload from many devices can cause persistent purple rings, requiring bandwidth prioritization to resolve the issue. While the purple ring remains relevant in 2026, future trends point to AI-driven suggestions for Do Not Disturb mode based on user routines. New Echo models feature energy-efficient LEDs to reduce power consumption. By 2030, physical lights like the purple ring might be phased out in favor of holographic or screen-based feedback. This shift will make the purple ring less prominent as technology evolves.